Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our first chapter, that is Let Us Recall, which you have already learned in class 2. First, we will write the following numbers in word. So, first number is 37 and we have to write this number in words. That means the number names. So, the number name of 37 is 37. Now, the second number is 725. So, how to write this number in words? 725. Now, next is write the number in figures. So, here number names are given and we have to write this in figures. So, the number name is 437. In this number, 4 at the hundreds place, 3 at the tens place and 7 at the ones place. So, we will write the number 437. Our next number name is 906. In this number, 9 at the hundreds place, 0 at the tens place and 6 at the ones place. So, the number will be formed 906. Now, next we have to write the given numbers in expanded form. Here, our first number is 147. In this number, 1 at the hundreds place, so we will write 100 plus 4 at the tens place, so we will write 40 and 7 at the ones place, so we will write 7. The expanded form of 147 will be 100 plus 40 plus 7. Now our next number is 317. In this number, 3 at the hundreds place, so we will write 300. 1 at the tens place, so we will write 10 and the 7 at the ones place, so we will write 7. So the expanded form of 317 is 300 plus 10 plus 7. Now our next topic is short form. This is just opposite to the expanded form. In this question, expanded forms are given and we have to write their short forms. So, 500 plus 20 plus 6 means if we add all these numbers, we will get 5 at the hundreds place, 2 at the tens place and 6 at the ones place. So, the number will be 526. Same. In this number, 300 plus 70 plus 2. If we add all these numbers, we will get 3 at the hundreds place, 7 at the tens place and 2 at the ones place. So, number will be formed 327. Sorry, 372. Now, next we have to put the symbol smaller than, greater than and is equal to. In our previous video, we have already learned that how to compare the numbers. To compare the numbers, first of all, we have to count the digit of the number. In this number 201, we have 3 digits. And in the number 303, also 3 digits. That means both the numbers having 3 digits. And if the digits are equal, then we will compare the first digit from the left side. The first digit is 2 and 3. And 2 is smaller than 3. That means 201 is smaller than 303. Next is 460 and 46. So remember what was the first rule? Yes, we have to count the digit first. Here in 460 there are 3 digits. And in 46 there are 2 digits. So the number having more digits is the greater number and the number having less digits is the smaller number. That means 460 is greater than 46. Now the next number is 453 and 453. Again we will count the digit first. We can see that both the numbers having 3 digits. So we will compare the first digit from the left side, and the first digit is 4. If the first digit is same, then we will compare the second digit, and the second digit is 5. This is also same. Continue in the same way until we find unequal digits at the same place. Then we will compare the next digit, and the next digit is 3. This is also equal. That means 453 is equal to 453. Now our next topic is to arrange the numbers in increasing order. And increasing order is also called the ascending order. Then what do you understand by ascending order? Ascending order means to arrange the number from the smallest to the greatest. Now, in this question, we will also follow the same rule. We will count the digits first. In this question, 63, that is 2-digit number. In 176, I have 3 digits. 55, I have 2 digits. In 302, I have 3 digits. And in 215, I have 3 digits. That means some numbers are having 2 digits and some numbers are having 3 digits. So all the numbers having 2 digits will be the smaller number, and all the numbers having 3 digits will be the greater numbers. So to arrange the number in increasing order, we will write the 2 digits number first, and these are 63 and 55. So which one is smaller? For that we will compare the first digit first, and the first digit is 6 and 5. Which one is smaller? 5. That means 55 is the smallest number, and the second number will be 63. Now we have some 3-digit numbers. Again we will compare the first digits first of all these 3-digit numbers. So the first digit is 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2. Now which one is smaller? 1. That means 176 is the smaller number. Now again we will compare the first digit 3 and 2. Which one is smaller? 2. That means 215 is the smaller number, and the last 302 will be the greatest number. So all these numbers are arranged in increasing order or ascending order. Now our next topic is to arrange the number in decreasing order, that is also known as descending order. Descending order means ordering the number or arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. So here we have some numbers that are 71, 117, 73, 207 and 107. Now let's use those tricks again. First of all, we will count the digits of all the numbers. So 71 is having 2 digits, 117 is having 3 digits, 73 is having 2 digits, 207 is having 3 digits and 107 is having 3 digits. That means again some numbers having 2 digits and some number having 3 digits. And we know that the numbers having more digits are the greater number, and the numbers having less digits are smaller numbers. To arrange the numbers in decreasing order, we have to write the greatest number first. Now to compare the greatest number, we will compare the 3-digit number first, and they are 117, 207 and 107. So we will compare the first digit from the left side, and the first digits are 1, 2 and 1. 2 is the bigger number, that means 207 is the greatest number. Now we will compare next 3-digit numbers. Here next number is 117 and 107. The first digit is 1, that are equal. Then we will compare the next digit 1, 0. Which one is greater? 1. That means 117 is the greater number. Now third number will be 107. Now we will compare the 2-digit numbers. Here first digit is 7, both are equal. Then we will compare the next digit, and next digit is 1, 3. Which one is greater? 3. That means 73 will be the greater number, and the last 71 will be the smallest number. So all these numbers are arranged in decreasing order or descending order. Now we will learn the greatest number and the smallest number. The greatest 1-digit number is 9. The smallest 1-digit number is 1. The greatest 2-digit number is 99 and the smallest 2-digit number is 10. The greatest 3-digit number is 999 and the smallest 3-digit number is 100. So students, you must definitely enjoyed revising all these topics. Thank you and have a good day.